Family traditions are an important part of many cultures. These traditions are practices, customs, or rituals that families follow on special occasions or regularly throughout the year. They help bring families closer and create lasting memories. One common family tradition is celebrating birthdays. In my family, we gather on someone's birthday, have a delicious meal, and sing the birthday song before blowing out the candles on the cake. It's a time for giving and receiving gifts and expressing our love for the birthday person. Another tradition we cherish is the annual family reunion. Every summer, our extended family comes together for a day of fun, games, and a grand feast. It's an opportunity for us to catch up, share stories, and strengthen our bonds. During the holiday season, we have unique traditions like decorating the Christmas tree and exchanging gifts. We also enjoy traditional foods specific to our culture during these festive times. These family traditions make us feel connected and provide a sense of belonging. They are a source of joy, comfort, and unity within our family. I look forward to passing these traditions on to the next generation and preserving our family's heritage.